एक बचपन का जमाना था, होता खुशियों का खजाना था। चाहत होती थी चांद को पाने की, पर दिल तो तितली का दीवाना था। Greetings to one and all present here. On this special occasion, I would like to welcome our dearest Director Principal Sir Dr. G. Thangathurai, Admin Manager Mrs. Vijaya Thangathurai, Vice Principal Mrs. Pashwati Mukherjee, CODs Mrs. Savita, Mrs. Monica and Mrs. Nandini, my dear teachers and my dearest students. Welcome to the celebrations of Children's Day. Some things we can never buy, and one such thing is our childhood. And you will realize that only when you grow up. Anyway, without any further ado, let's kickstart this day. And to start a day, I request Dr. Vatsala, Mr. Pradeep, and Mr. Gunasidhu to start the prayer as we seek the blessings of the Almighty.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रान्विता या वीणा वरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेत पद्मासना या श्वेत पद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाढ्यापः
We're going to sing the song Cup of the World, done by the Carpenters. All of you should have the feeling you are top of the world. Sense of feelings coming over me. There is one moving most tragedy I see. Not a cloud in the sky, but the sun in my eye. And I am to face the mountain faithfully. Every day I want the world to be.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And I now request our Director Principal, Sir Dr. G. Thamukivai, to kindly address the gathering.
Good afternoon. I'm sorry there was a technical glitch in the beginning, otherwise, I wanted to speak in the beginning. Now that we are going through a very, very interesting program, and especially on a day when you should be enjoying, I do not want to come in between with a speech, but still, just a few words of thanks to all the teachers who wanted to make you children happy Children's Day. So, on behalf of everyone at Presidency and on my personal behalf, I wish you all, my dear children, a very, very happy Children's Day. And I would also take this opportunity to wish you a very happy Diwali. You have 3 days of holidays to follow. Well, this time the Children's Day is with a difference. The Diwali is also with a difference. Children's Day without children in the school, it looks for us like this building is like a museum where last year children were studying. They were leaving their footprints and running and having lots of fun in this building. I am sitting here alone with this building as a museum to remind us once upon a time, last year, children were there, and we pray to God that these beautiful children, the flowers of our garden, Presidency School, Kasturi Nagar, will back, and once again they will leave or put the impression of their feet on this school which is yours. So have a lot of fun, and the main purpose of all this program that the teachers have taken a lot of time and trouble is to create that entertainment in you, though you are at home. I hope you are all enjoying, and I should thank once again all the teachers for virtually putting up a very, very wonderful show. Jawaharlal Nehru had said that children are like birds in the garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured, as they are the future of the nation and the citizen of tomorrow. I think all of us, parents, teachers, everyone in the community, always look up at you very lovingly. We want you all to grow very lovingly and happily, and at the same time prepare yourself to take over the responsibility of this country in future. So have fun, enjoy yourself. I do understand that these programs are virtually there, but I hope you're all happy and enjoying. Have a wonderful time, and once more, Happy Children's Day and a very, very happy Diwali. Wish you all the best. Thank you, teachers. Please continue the program.
Thank you so much, sir. I am sure your speech was truly inspiring, not just for the students, but for everyone who is listening. I am so proud to tell that your teachers have prepared so much for you on your special days. So I hope you will all enjoy the events that have been planned just for your entertainment. Our first set of entertainment is performed by Dr. Vatsala and her team. And let's welcome them all as they come here perform a skit for you.
Looks like they have started joining. Must get ready for the class. Good morning, children. Hello. Am I audible to you?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Very good morning.
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Ma'am, today you're looking so nice.
Oh, is it? Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Your
Thank
sari
you.
color is my favorite color.
Thank you, Shalini.
Ma'am, my mom also has the same one.
Is it? Thank you so much for that compliment. I think all are present. So, without wasting time, let's start the class. Swati, can you turn on your video?
Huh. Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, why are you late to class?
Late. Ma'am, ma'am, my stomach was paining very badly, ma'am, from yesterday. So I was in the washroom.
This is not a genuine reason. You must be honest, Swati.
Ma'am, I'll tell you, ma'am. I will tell you what happened actually. But now, give me some time, ma'am. Please.
Swati, what are you typing?
Ma'am, I'm searching the genuine reason. I'm asking Google how to answer a teacher.
Swati, this is not correct. Please listen to me.
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
Yesterday, I taught you about gravity. Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am. I remembered everything. I really like the way you teach, ma'am. I understood everything. Promise?
Okay. That's like a good girl. Now tell me, who discovered gravity?
Gravity. Ma'am. I forgotten, ma'am. But I remember something. Oh, ma'am. Tomorrow I will tell, ma'am.
Does anybody remember the answer? Hello? Am I audible to you all or not? Please tell me. Children, are you there?
Ma'am, yes, we can hear you, ma'am. We can hear you quite clearly, ma'am.
Okay. Then why are you not answering? Hello? Shalini, turn on your camera and unmute your mic. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I will, ma'am.
Can you turn on your video? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Can you tell the answer now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shalini, you are not audible. What happened to you?
Ma'am, maybe my mic is not working.
Oh, okay. What? Then how come it's working now?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, some internet issue. Sometime
Hmm?
it's gone.
Hmm?
Sometime in our house there is no network. It will go and come.
Now, see, it's working now. Please give the answer fast. Who discovered gravity?
Ma'am, gravity is discovered by mm,
Hmm. अरे ये क्या हो गया? लगता है she has network issue.
क्या हुआ?
Shalini, you don't have any network issue. Don't fool me, please. मैं प्रिंसिपल सर से
yes,
शिकायत कर
ma'am.
दूंगी
Ma'am,
अगर आप
so
ऐसे
sorry,
करोगे तो।
ma'am. Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. Next time I will not do, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, I know the answer.
Hmm.
I was going to tell you
Okay.
gravity.
Hmm. अरे again, I think it's best to ask this girl. Sheila, are you there? Sheila.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Good morning, Sheila.
Good morning, ma'am.
Keep your video properly.
I'm trying, ma'am. I'll try, ma'am. I'll call my mother, ma'am.
For this also
Mummy?
you want to call your mother. Bye.
Video, mummy.
Sit
Mummy,
properly.
come, mummy. Mummy, come here. See, video is not working. Mummy.
Sheila.
Mummy is coming.
Sheila.
Yes, ma'am.
Why are you
Yes,
calling
ma'am.
your mother? You can manage by yourself, no?
I will try, ma'am. I'll try, ma'am. I'll try, ma'am.
Okay. Now
Okay,
tell
ma'am.
me, yesterday I taught about gravity, right? Who discovered gravity?
Yesterday you taught, ma'am? No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, no, no. No, ma'am, you didn't teach, ma'am.
Yesterday
you didn't
I
teach.
taught Sheila. Where were you? You were present.
Network issue, ma'am. Network issue. No, network was not there, ma'am. Here it is low network, ma'am. No,
So
ma'am.
you didn't hear what I said?
I'll call my mother. Mummy,
For
mummy.
that, why are you calling your mother?
My mother knows all, ma'am. My mother knows all.
Sheila, this is not correct answer. Remember properly, yesterday I taught you about gravity. Just recall your class. Think of it.
I will call for Swati, ma'am. Swati. She will tell. Swati. Did ma'am taught gravity? Swati. See, I bought new doll. Swati, see, I see. So big. You have. You don't have.
Even I have, Sheila. You know, I
Hey.
have penguin. Do you have penguin with you, Sheila?
Swati and Sheila, you should not do this. You should not bring your toys to the class. See, ma'am is taking so much of pain for us, and we are not listening to her only. Please do not do that.
Children,
Okay.
children, now stop talking and listen to me. Sheila, leave that toy.
Okay, ma'am.
Give answer here.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Concentrate.
Hey Sheila, leave the toy. Remember that day ma'am said that apple fallen down, नीचे गिरा था.
Correct.
Remember?
Sheila, concentrate. Yes, now Shalini told you the answer. Now give one example for gravity.
Falling down, no, ma'am. One song you know, ma'am. Jhumka gira re, baleli ke
Sheila.
bazaar.
Swati, Sheila,
I will resume.
Shalini, very good children. I hope you all will understand the value of studies, the value of teachers. It's
We
time
love you, ma'am. We love you a lot.
We love you, ma'am. You teach us very
love-
well, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we love all our teachers, ma'am. The
I
teachers
know.
are so
I know you
I
all are
also
such a sweet kids. Okay, so please
Okay,
be
ma'am.
a good children and
Okay,
be
ma'am.
a good children to your parents. Be a good children to your elders. Okay, whatever I'm teaching you, you must listen to it carefully and get ready for the next class. Follow the instructions. Follow the class rules.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. That's like a good children. Now it's time up. I'll catch you tomorrow for the another class.
Sure,
Till
ma'am.
then,
Next
bye.
time I
take
will
care of
remember.
yourself.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome, children. You're welcome. Take care of
Bye,
yourself.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, children.
साल भर कड़ी मेहनत कर, मन लगाकर, थोड़ी मेरी डांट भी खाकर तुम बच्चों ने मुझसे बहुत कुछ सीखा।
आज जब तुम्हें रिजल्ट देने की बारी आई, मैं तुम्हें स्कूल ही नहीं बुला पाई।
तुम्हें अंदाजा नहीं है जरा भी कितना दुखी है ये मन मेरा।
जो तुमसे कहती थी बाहर खेलो, लोगों से मिलो।
रिमोट छोड़ो, मोबाइल छोड़ो, आज वही मैं कह रही हूँ, कुछ देर तुम घर पे ही रह लो।
सुबह से मैंने किसी को ना डांटा, बड़ा अजीब लग रहा है मुझे क्लास का सन्नाटा।
ना मैं तुम लोगों से मिल पा रही हूँ, ना मैं तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर पा रही हूँ।
गुड डे, गुड मॉर्निंग ये इतनी अहम शब्द है,
ये आज मैं अपने कानों में महसूस कर पा रही हूँ।
मजबूर हूँ मैं जो तुम्हें स्कूल नहीं बुला पा रही हूँ। मजबूर हूँ मैं जो तुम्हें स्कूल नहीं बुला पा रही हूँ।
एग्जाम के बाद रिजल्ट वाले दिन मिलेंगे। मैम, क्या आप हमें नए क्लास में भी मिलेंगे?
ये इतने खास शब्द है मेरे लिए कि इन्हें मैं आज महसूस कर पा रही हूँ।
मजबूर हूँ मैं तुम्हें स्कूल बुला नहीं पा रही।
एक वादा करो तुम सब मुझसे आज, जो मैं थोड़ा सा भी जिंदगी जीना सिखाया है।
साइंस के रिएक्शंस, दुनिया के जियोग्राफी, नेचुरल डिजास्टर, ये सब याद करने का नहीं।
ये बात मैं आज दोहरा रही हूँ, अपनी सराउंडिंग को क्लीन रखना, बार बार हाथ धोते रहना,
थोड़ा भी बीमार पड़ने पर डॉक्टर्स के पास चले जाना।
ये बात मैं फिर दोहरा रही हूँ, मजबूर हूँ मैं तुम्हें स्कूल नहीं बुला पा रही हूँ।
हम सब क्लास में और एक बार फिर मिलेंगे, फिर हम वही पुरानी मौज मस्ती भी करेंगे।
तुम डटकर इस मुसीबत का सामना करना।
माता, पिता, गुरु, देवम, ये सब सम्माननीय है। पूरा विश्वास है कि आप अपने बड़ों की बात मानेंगे।
मजबूर हूँ मैं तुम्हें स्कूल बुला नहीं पा रही।
Wow, what a wonderful performance, teachers. I am sure our students are taken aback by that lovely performance. To move forward, we have a creative side by the art department. And to quote Dr. Jawaharlal Nehru,
Happy Children's Day to all of you.
I wish all my dear students a very happy Children's Day and a happy Diwali.
Happy Children's Day and happy Diwali.
Hello my dear students, I wish you a very happy Children's Day and happy Diwali.
सजे हम बच्चों के हैं मजे, मालाएं तोरण सजे हम बच्चों के हैं मजे, हाथ मिलाए गले लगाए प्यार से हम सहराए, हाथ मिलाए गले लगाए प्यार से हम सहराए, जन्मदिन
चाचा जी का, बाल दिन बच्चों का, जन्मदिन चाचा जी का, बाल दिन बच्चों का। चाचा जी हमें प्यारे, बच्चों के हैं दुलारे। चाचा जी हमें प्यारे, बच्चों के हैं दुलारे। चाचा जी को याद करें, उनका सम्मान करें। चाचा जी को याद करें, उनका सम्मान करें।
Colored festoons everywhere, people showing how much they care, shaking hands and smiling too, good wishes all to you and you. Colored festoons everywhere, people showing how much they care, shaking hands and smiling too, good wishes all to you and you. We think of Chacha on this day, his love for us will always stay. This day is just the day for us as we celebrate our Children's Day. Colored festoons everywhere, people showing how much they care, shaking hands and smiling too, good wishes all to you and you. Bringing past back to our minds, 'twas Chacha's birthday, you will find. He loved children with all his heart, from them he never liked to part. Colored festoons everywhere, people showing how much they care, shaking hands and smiling too, good wishes all to you and you. Colored festoons everywhere, people showing how much they care, shaking hands and smiling too, good wishes all to you and you.
नेहरू चाचा हमें दे दिया इतना प्यार। नेहरू चाचा हमें दे दिया इतना प्यार। हम बच्चों का जीवन ढाला, देकर हमको लाड दुलार। हम बच्चों का जीवन ढाला, देकर हमको लाड दुलार। रखते याद नवंबर 14 बाल दिवस कहलाता है। हम भारत के नन्हे बाल तुम्हें भूल ना पाएंगे।
Wow, that was a bliss for the eyes. Well, I am sure you've seen your PE teachers doing exercises and aerobics. Ever wondered how they would look while they are dancing? Well, we now have a performance by your own PE teachers just for your entertainment. sure you're all taken aback with that mind-boggling performance. Now, we have a melodious dance drama by Miss Usha and by Miss Sugandha.
बड़ा नटखट है रे कृष्ण कन्हैया, का कर यशोदा मैया। बड़ा नटखट है रे कृष्ण कन्हैया, आकर यशोदा मैया। बड़ा नटखट है रे कृष्ण कन्हैया, आकर यशोदा मैया। बड़ा नटखट है रे। ढूंढे रे अखियाँ उसे चाहुआ, जाने कहाँ छुप गया नंद किशोर। ढूंढे रे अखियाँ उसे चाहुआ, जाने कहाँ छुप गया नंद किशोर। उड़ गया ऐसे जैसे पुरवैया, आकर यशोदा मैया। मैया रे हाँ, बड़ा नटखट है रे। आता है मैं गले से लगा लूं, लागे ना किसी की नजर मन में छुपा लूं। आता है मैं गले से लगा लूं, लागे ना किसी की नजर मन में छुपा लूं। धूप जगत है रे ममता है छैया, आकर यशोदा मैया। बड़ा नटखट है रे।
And now, just to show unity of the nation even during this pandemic, our teachers have a beautiful music rendition just for you. So sit back and enjoy the state songs of various different states. This shall not only impart knowledge, confidence, power, but also entertainment in you all. I hope you all like it.
ಗುಡಿಯಲಿರುವ ಶಿಲೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ದೇವರಂತೆ, ಗುಣವಿರುವ ಮನುಜರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಂತೆ. ಗುಡಿಯಲಿರುವ ಶಿಲೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ದೇವರಂತೆ, ಗುಣವಿರುವ ಮನುಜರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಂತೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ದೇವರಿಗೂ ಭೇದವಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಬ್ಬರ ಮನದಲ್ಲೂ ಕಪಟವಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮನೆಯೇ ಮೊದಲ ಪಾಠಶಾಲೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳ ನೋಟವೇ ಒಲವಿನ ಓಲೆ. ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೂ ಅವರ ನಗು ಪಾಠವಂತೆ, ಅವರ ತೊದಲ ನುಡಿಗಳು ವೇದವಂತೆ. ಗುಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಶಿಲೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ದೇವರಂತೆ, ಗುಣವಿರುವ ಮನುಜರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಂತೆ. ಒಂದೇ ಗಿಡದಿ ಹೂವು ಮುಳ್ಳು ಹುಟ್ಟುವಂತೆ, ಒಂದೇ ಮನದಿ ಎರಡು ಗುಣವು ಬೆಳೆಯುವುದಂತೆ. ಮುಳ್ಳಿನ ಗುಣ ಹೂವಿನ ಗುಣ ಸೇರದಂತೆ, ಜೋಕೆಯಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಜಾರದಂತೆ. ಗುಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಶಿಲೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ದೇವರಂತೆ, ಗುಣವಿರುವ ಮನುಜರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಂತೆ. ರಾಮ್ ರಹೀಂ ಏಸು ಬುದ್ಧ ಎಲ್ಲ ದೇವರೇ, ರಿತಾ ಗೀತಾ ಲೈಲಾ ಪಪಿ ಅವನ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ದೇವನೇ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಾಣಬೇಕು ಅವನದೇ ಕಲೆ. ಗುಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಶಿಲೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ದೇವರಂತೆ, ಗುಣವಿರುವ ಮನುಜರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಂತೆ. ಗುಣವಿರುವ ಮನುಜರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಂತೆ, ಗುಣವಿರುವ ಮನುಜರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಂತೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
बेलने पैर आखी मार गए तने वे बेलने आई तने रोटी दे बहाने वे, रोटी दे बहाने वे. बेलने पैर आखी मार गए तने वे बेलने आई तने रोटी दे बहाने वे, रोटी दे बहाने वे. मिलना है मिलने के रुस जाना सभी, मैंने कंठ करके मनाई है मेरा लौंग बाचा. निगाह मारदाई है मेरा लौंग बाचा, निगाह मारदाई है मेरा लौंग बाचा.
पीछे पीछे होना मेरी चाल में नाय, पीछे पीछे होना मेरी चाल में नाय. चिरे वाड़िया वेखदा आई वे मेरा लौंग बाचा. ओ मेरा लौंग बाचा, आओ मेरा लौंग बाचा. पीछे पीछे होना मेरी चाल में नाय, पीछे पीछे होना मेरी चाल में नाय. चिरे वाड़िया वेखदा आई वे मेरा लौंग बाचा. ओ मेरा लौंग बाचा, हाँ मेरा लौंग बाचा.
অন্ধকারে দু চোখ আলোয় ভরো,
special credits to the Computer Science Department, without whom our vision would have not been accomplished. Thank you. Thank you, each and every person, for being present with us today and putting in their efforts for this lovely program. Wishing you all a very happy Children's Day once again. Bye-bye.